is the Sounds of Nepal. But also these.
When you use the horn.
After doing some trekking in the Himalayas, we're heading back to Kathmandu, but our flight has only taken us to the town of Ramechhap. It's supposed to be a 3.5 hour drive, but today there's a festival happening and the traffic is wild. We ended up spending a total of 7 hours on the road, and it turned out to be its own little adventure. Just landed and got into a transport.
Finally, we arrived in Ramechhap.
Still just fog on, on this lens. Santos just informed me that there's a big festival. What's the name of this festival?
Dasai.
So that's why people right now are traveling out of Kathmandu and going into the smaller villages. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it like an adventure?
Very adventure.
Yeah. For Santos, it's just another day. There's so much dust coming from everywhere. We're leaving. Rolling again. It's an enormous traffic jam. So we're stuck in this never-ending traffic jam, but at least Christine is a bit more happy because she got some candy. Almost can't believe it, but Kathmandu is even crazier than normal. This is Tamel, where our hotel is. Remember coming into this place? Because I was drunk at a bar down there.